Krack and I am back. Okay, so I'm back today with a hair review. Y'all know I come with the latest and the greatest. So how about y'all? Let me tell y'all a little background on a little story time. So yes, so how about I went to my local beauty supply store, right? And I was like, dang, like what I'm gonna get in my hair, like what I can get that, that's affordable and also, that I can tell my girls about. So I'm like, okay. So I'm seeing everybody, no, actually, I was seeing like a lot of people, well, yeah, I seen a lot of people keep inquiring about this certain type of brand. And I'm like, okay, I'm like, dang, it's probably synthetic. And I don't really want to come to girls with a synthetic, review again, because the girls already be talking about me, telling me I be very much synthetic all the time. Don't come for me. Just a little sidebar. Now, I said, okay, so you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my local beauty supply store and I'm going to see, what's the tea. So I went to the beauty supply store and like I said, I kept seeing a lot of people were inquiring about this certain brand. Now they have body wave and they also have like a bohemian curl. It's real cute. I think I'm going to get that next. It's real tight, but it's also like when you brush it out, it looks very natural. So it's very much summertime, even though the summer's almost over, but we can, roll it over to the fall. Anywho, who go check us? Period. Anyway, so yes, y'all, not for me, rambling, but anyways, lo and behold, the girl that works there, she was telling me about the brand called B&B Express, girl. 100% Brazilian hair, girl. Get into it. As you guys can see, like 7 great, even though you don't supposed to even really worry about what they say about the look grading, because that shit be false. But you can dye it, you can bleach it, and you can perm it, y'all. Like when I say like your girl is in, like what they gonna say. Now don't try to come for me. I just got off from work, so I know my hair is not straight. It's straight as it can be, especially right here. But the curl definitely, not the curl, but the hair can definitely straighten. I have a habit, because I sit at a desk, I have a habit of putting my hair behind my ears. So that's why you see like the little, so like I said, don't come for me. But anyway, so yeah, like I definitely just wanted to come and tell y'all about this hair. Now what y'all about to fall out again about, because like I tell you, I drop the jewels and I give you all the latest and greatest things, and and I give y'all real tea. Get this, y'all. This hair goes well, if you're in Miami, your local beauty supply store sells this hair. And mind you, I have I'm just trying to say, okay, I have a 18, 20, and 22, and I have a I believe it's I don't really know what type of closure it is. I mean, I know it's a 4x4, but I don't know what inch. I'm sorry. But anywho, I got all this for, listen, hold your wigs real tight. I got the hair, y'all, for $70. Look at God. I knew y'all wasn't gonna believe me. That's why I wish I had the receipt to show y'all the face, because y'all never want to believe me when I tell y'all that, like, I got real Brazilian hair. Now, granted, it may have some synthetic specks in it. Listen, it is what it is. How I feel about hair, it's all in what you make it, and it's all in how you style it. So if you are a girl that knows how to like really get yourself together and really do your hair real cute and real nice, you'll be fine. I'm telling you, y'all, like, listen, I don't never try to steer y'all wrong, and y'all really be trying to like make it seem like I really be trying to do that. But like, listen, get into it. Like, now don't try to get all into it, because I did this installation myself. So I'm still, up and coming and practicing. So, but overall, like I said, all jokes aside, the hair is really nice. I really like this hair. You guys definitely should check them out. It's definitely called the B&B Express 100% Brazilian virgin hair. So, and it's great, as you guys can see, this the 7A grade or whatever the case may be, but like I said, you can't really go by that nowadays. So like I said, it's dye, bleach, and perm. Like, listen, what more do y'all want? I also one of the hairstylists that came in that was inquiring about this hair, she was also saying that this hair is very good for bobs, and also it colors very well. She just like she had the hair and she did a lime green, and I say, baby, that hair looked cute. That hair looked real cute. So, you know, I know she, you know, telling the truth. And one thing I can say about my girls in Miami, like we know about our hair. So that's one thing we know about. We might not know about education, but we know about our hair. So anyways, like, I'm no tea because I'm from Miami, so I'm just being honest and being real. So like I said, y'all, the hair is really nice. I haven't tried to curl the hair yet, but I mean, I don't really want to. I'm the type of girl, like, if I get straight hair, I just want to keep it straight. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't really want to, you know, curl it. So I'm not really a big person on testing if it can curl and everything like that. I'm more so of if I just want to make sure that it's straight. Like, you know, I want you to be bone straight the whole, you know, whole damn day. So, and me, I'm the type of person, I don't really flat iron my hair. Like, all my friends will tell you, like, I do the bare minimum, but long as y'all get the effect. As you can see, y'all got my effect, okay? Right, exactly. Y'all like it, right? Exactly. It's very soft. Now, I would say that it is thin, but I mean, it's like, you know, you get what you pay for, but at the same time, the hair is really nice. Like, y'all, I like this hair. Like, I really will repurchase it. And I mean, I purchased it with my own money, so of course I ain't got no line to y'all, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. Enough of me rambling. I just wanted to come on and talk to y'all about this hair. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would let me check and see if I can actually find this on a website to see if I can, you know, get, you know, the girls that's not actually located in Florida or whatever. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all. Like I said, don't ever say I ain't ever try to do nothing for y'all now, because y'all love to say that. So I'm just saying. But anyways, y'all know I'm crazy, but I will definitely try to look and see if I can look for it on different beauty supply stores, you know, online beauty supply stores, and see if I can get it for y'all. So anyways, like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. More reviews coming to y'all, okay? Like, listen, stay tuned, okay? Like, comment, you know, do something. Like, what's up? So yeah, y'all. I don't know if I'm a dieter. I don't know. I don't think I'm a diet. I honestly want to get it again, but I want to do the curly, like the curly hair look this so nice. Like, y'all look this so nice. But anyway, y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe. I know I already said that. I'm sorry. Okay, so thank you guys. I love you guys, and I thank you so much for your support. At this point, y'all just click off the video. Okay, fine. Love you.